Parlok Nongpoh, Pijinjar Haying, Hadukan, Ne Hajkatre Jongpi, Phun Sha Karo Water Supply, Ngin Penpoi ke Kabakoi, Kababang, Bat Kabasnyam, Phun Hau Number, Kendai Lai, Henriu, Pra Iwe Pra, Lane, Pranyo, Sau Not, Henriu Nyo Lai. Phun Sepi, Penpoi Bai, Hajing Pima, Dukan Pima, Jakatre Pima, Penpoi Bet Ise. Haba Urlong ki Jingangnot, but haba Urlong ki Jingphohsniew jong ki babon lengba jong nong yelam. Kalau jolong ke Jingsa Jingken Mau ye ki peteng ki babot, ke Jingangnot but ke Jingphohsniew jong UMLA ke Mawhati constituency. Uba Charles Marngar, ban wanra ye ki kampen roy hakathan, kala Nongpoh hadin nyau benai tambau neu UMLA, ulalit ban penyeso bat ai jing kerjaan syaka sorkar. Kani kala Nongpoh hadin bau menteri rangba ke jelau konrat kongkal sangma, ulam menjur ya ke Jingdawa jong Uba Charles Marngar, rengkat ki nong elam, bat ke balongru ke Jingangnot jong ki paitba ban yo ya ke C&Rd blog hakathan. Namar ke Jingshem jenge, namar ke Jingjengai jong ke C&Rd blog, ke balapan hab iki barosi kata, homesning C&Rd blog. Hagani ke singi ke bamenta, labu yo mau nong rim kum gedak jong ke Jingpli ya ke Mawhati C&Rd blog, da ke Jingwanpoi jong menteri rangba ke jelau konrat kongkal sangma, hak Jingidon lang jong menteri beripej ya ke tenat C&Rd blog, U80 mondal, UMLA ke Thanyu Uba Charles Marngar, UMLA ke Umsning u Dr. Celestin Lengdo, u Deputy Commissioner ke District u Abhilash Baranwal, ki nong ilam Shillong ke Thany, ki long kemi ki long kpa, lembat kiwe. Kumban syukredok hendiat, bagane ke Jingangnot jong ipajba ke Thany Mawhati ban yo ya ke C&Rd blog, kedai ke bala sngewbha, namar ke Jingjengai jong ke office blog, ke bala penhap homesting C&Rd blog, ke badan homesting. Shillong di bapalat ya ke Nongpoh teli Shillong, mentang kit kamsuk, namar kim don kamsyu ban lej homesting. Henry kilala ban pendap ya ke kam tang Mawhati. U menteri rangba haba jingkiran Urlong, bagane ke jingla ban pen Urlong ban yo ya ke C&Rd blog Mawhati, kedai ke jingkit klik jong UMLA, ke jinglen lade, bat ke jingkut jingmut ban long nong mikman, na ke benta ke bahagamiat, bat ke roy ke par. U menteri rangba ulai kublai ya ki pajba ki bala sayo Uba Charles Marngar ban long nong yelam, namar udon ya ke jingkut jingmut ke baskam, na ke benta ke roy ke par jong ke Thany. Shushu hakane ke sengi menteri rangba hapadang ki pajba ki babon, bat hakmat jong UMLA ke Thany. Kat bau dang ajingkren, ula kentu yang menteri sorkar U80 mondal, ban senapan mangno wood ya ke sanction na ke banta bantai no ya ke office building jong ne ke blok ke bathamai, namar na pedang ki kendai teli ki blok ki belada ban Plie hakane ke samoy jong ke sorkar jela, ke balailam da ke seng NPP, ke C&Rd blok Mawhati, ke ke khun kadu, bat ke deiru ke barit du, na pedang ki blok hapo ke jela, bat kumta, baro ahap ban ya ka, bat ai shubun ki jingai sngewbha, kanang bakan he kan san kaloi.
We will now celebrate the block Batamai.
We have given to the people. It is a commitment I had given to Uba Charles. It's a commitment I had given to his team. A commitment I had given to the people of Mawhati constituency. And therefore I'm happy to see that we are able to fulfill this commitment. It's not just about the block. I was listening to the wonderful speech given by Charles. an excellent speech about mentioning about the C&Rd block, that it's a symbol of hope. It's more than just having this block. It's not just this building, but there's much more to it. For me, it's not just about the C&Rd block. It's about the trust that we have built in the last few months and years with my friend and also Dr. Bhoi, that this is how we are committed to work. And when we build that trust, when we give a commitment, we fulfill that commitment. And that is the message, the larger message, which I would like to give. We have a huge challenge and a lot of works that we have to do in the future. We have a big goal. We really want to make our state one of the best states in the country. We want to make it a shining example, and a lot of people question how. And I tell them I don't know how. But all I know is that I want to do it. And I will do it. But for us to be able to achieve that, we need to work together. Everybody. It's not just the political leaders. All the officers who are out here, every single BDO, all the people, the officials working at the grassroots level, I will remind you, you are part of this mission of ours. You are an integral part of this goal. And we will only achieve this goal when we work together. To the BDOs and the block officers and the officials who will work in this block, I urge you, please remember to always be kind to the people. I know it's a very, very simple thing and a very silly thing to say. But sometimes, we sit on the chair and we forget what we are here to do. Kindness is one of the most important traits that you need to have. You will go through a lot of pressure. And sometimes that pressure may come into anger. And that anger may go against the people. But it's not their fault. There will always be pressure during work. I request all officials, whenever you get angry, just remember this speech of mine and tell yourself that I will be calm, I will be cool, I will be kind to our people. And if we can have that simple thing going in our hearts, I'll tell you, many things will change. It starts with small things like these. And the small things, doing these things every day, is what will lead to success. So we don't need to do big things. We do small things, but we do them well.
And before I could get information, he got information. He called me and told me that, are you coming for the inauguration of this block? I told, I am here to get confirmed, let me know it. So he was so passionate and he was so working hard to see that this block comes to Mawhati. Kudos to you. And because of your hard work, and because of the love and affection that's shown by our Honorable Chief Minister to you and the people of Mawhati, that we have got this day to day. This will be written in golden letter as per the history of Mawhati is concerned. But then, in a family when the youngest child is born, he is looked after in a better way. Everybody in the family, even the elder brother and sisters, love him. And I do believe that we will take our Honorable Chief Minister directive to see that this Mawhati block will be loved by other blocks. I was just telling Dr. Celestine Lingo that don't worry, why you are feeling a little bit gloomy, that the colleague got a block and you have not got a block. Bobby Bilinko said that Ismol is beautiful. So taking 66 villages, and most of them are from Umsining block, your block duty also have been reduced. That means indirectly you are also getting another block. Now, the monitoring of all these schemes will be better in Umsning block. It is not that with this block we are helping the people of Mawhati block, but we will be also helping the people of Umsning block, because 66 villages comprising the areas covering the Umsning and Bhoi blocks have been taken out here. Our Honorable Chief Minister told me that maybe very soon there will be the declaration of autonomous district council election, so we may not be able to go ahead immediately, but he told make sure that at the most earliest this block gets functional.
Pagi jangan yang hari khubor dapat siam keberkah bagi jiwa. Jingphohsniew berkau, haga bagi Jingphohsniew jangan, lapten Urlong, haga ni sini. Tahu Chief Minister jong kejalan kejalan usaha kontrak sangat. Ngai kubelai kepang yang Chief Minister ublapen Urlong yang ni Jingphohsniew. Ngala kalau unia Chief Minister ubah omkang kekil ndai dekat kami. Suara dengan join NPP kene dari kawin ni Jingphohsniew. Jingphohsniew jangan bat sisa kalau Urlong. Jingphohsniew jongi ya ke blok ke berkemar. Dari kawin pat ke lenong dari ke chapter ke berkemar. Jong ke Mawhati konstitusi. Hari insan buat Islam, kalau ngelihat ia kejelas kejelas, mentang dia, ia C&Rd blok, hanya Mawhati. Kemudian jadi berkerja yang bertanggung. I have my responsibility. Madam, it's a big deal. Lalu kepercayaan keren ngamsalnya. Sisian bangashim yang disebut menghadapinya semua, lalu mendampaikan jangka konstitusi. Ngai kubelai usiam lalu kita, jadi simpiah macam tang yang negasian di blok pepa ini. San buat Islam kejelang iladap. Kita dan kumaprak naik di Shillong khubor di kompak school building. Ngalai kahing jong officer lei belum dah kita di sekolah jangan kono masuk kan ai kumde yo Chief Minister boleh rak depan de konsensus masuk kan Chief Minister ulat pulang ban Urlong yo surat nasoli dan syamsiang misai di jingkran ubah belum jong ni konsensi udah surat berasa sesuatu kilometer. Nah udah kerpan Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, nah kita bahai ke surat morong 100 kilometer. Nah udah kerpan Chief Minister, yang di kabinet berkilai surat Malosnai, nah Malosnai Syakida Hati 40 kilometer. Nah udah kerpan nama berkilai yang surat pamlatan kilometer Shen sebenarnya. Ngai kubelai kerpang nama berkilai yang surat 100 kilometer berkilai Shillong Nongpoh. Ngai kubelai kerpang nama berkilai surat nasentu mau sama tadi ubilah sedang tadi berkilai naik keluar nikah. Ngai kubelai kerpang nak kau suruh ahli utara ubas dan train mentah, sahaja mentah. Ngai kubli kerpang nak kau suruh umtrai, sampai yang dalam NPP berkesorkan, nak dek siang orang. Baik babi, IC sendiri jadi kubli, nak mentah, itu minister terkait. Baik babi, suara mengenai berjoin berkesorkan. Alat tim lupa, bagi bobon tim keren, bagi tim kau yang. Ngan sesyak keren bangan sesyak tempat. Mereka sacrifice. Ngan len yang ada. Ngan rai yang tak. Ringkat bagi Dr. C&Rd. Bagi Pak Gabriel Wang. Dan jangan terpaki berkesotan. Nama kesutu lada don hakajuk kejagaan. Mawhati jongi dan don dan Jingphohsniew. Lada baca semana unsak dan nyempat yo yang saya di blok muda sini. Lada baca semana unsak dan umpat yo ini surat dan kami. Ijat dulu liliknya lada di pau baca. Lada di pau. Nasa kanap sulay ka nasin habaka. Jingkeli kalau ipara be perta ijay pagin. Aklanyo sinistol ko gati. Nakabukura. Baba ini. Kaway ko ko. Ne uchiyo minister ke cabinet. Yudan sisay ka thong monora ikaroy ka pa ke jala ko. Ay giway din gran ikit ko. Mereka mengipak tu ngilangi tuli. Mereka tray ada kam dan penuh di kepuasan saya. Kebetulan kami ini ipak ba, bertukut ini ciptaan di sana. Kalau mengidai bandari itu semua. Iway hebret abai thok yang essay yo. The Jingphohsniew dari Jingphohsniew sampai ke Allah. Kena betul. Kepuasan dan tray di doktor di lapang. Isi kamu yang don't miss to say thank you. But the way back, they continue to joy. Count your blessing. What you learn from all who play, but new we begin to do. The Jingphohsniew kelahir palang. Hati ini sih. Kumpulan ini Jingphohsniew, yang mencuri niscaya jauh. The Jingphohsniew juga berlomba naik dalam the Jingphohsniew ya paro. Hamtam ni kimreu tuli Shillong. Lalu ada ampreng, amjong, siang tertiar. Hadut hakum syarung alai kodingan. Shillong nanti nak Mawhati, nak Nongpoh, nak insau, nak Synod, nak lantara. Beliau dari Shillong, hanya itu saja ikut Jingphohsniew. Mensuah keputusan teman ini sebagai Muslim. Sispa kilometer nak ampreng, nak amjong, mentah usalan. Iying baduk, iskim yang baduk hakwan usalan mentah. Mendalam kami itu Muslim. Dia kena kedau, berkenal mau dengan New dia kena blok kalau Jingphohsniew. Bahkan dengan New dia mesti nak di blok. Dan mau lupa, bagi di department road pinsawan dan Shillong Jingphohsniew ini. Di parlok nado usia, tak kilometer di hable Jingphohsniew. Tidak di bawah ni apa, baca sudah masuk Jingphohsniew ni mana. Mereka ingin mengajarkan masukku. The problem kedai nak tahu surat. Waktu selain surat Synod. Ini trailer, bila kamsut kamsian bangunan apa usaha.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru ar nyau lai.